I heard that CCI is working on a very innovative product. I must find it out.
I am happy to reveal the innovative product you are looking for. CCI's latest sampling solution, Everdu-O, innovatively combines weaving, warping, and even drawing in functions together with a new concept of integrated design. And that means you can effortlessly complete a piece of fabric sample just on one machine. It offers the quickest way to see the result of your fabric design. Or produce the samples that your customers request urgently. It is simple, easy, and saves cost and time. Everdu-O helps you to respond quickly to changing markets. Want to know more details about Everdu-O? Please visit www.ccitk.com or contact us at info@ccitk.com. We make life easier!